Hi everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Gardener channel. It is a windy Saturday morning. The weather seems like it's about to start raining anytime soon. It's quite cold, and I thought, to record a video to show you what I'm doing in preparation for the spring, and just the little bits and bobs I'm doing. So for today, I'm going to be showing you how I'm growing carrots, an early start to my carrots, just so that I'll have a harvest a bit earlier. So for this video, I'm going to be planting the carrots in a container. So this is the container. I bought it from Amazon. I'll link it um, at the end of this video. And this is the carrot I'm using. These are the seeds I'm using. So stick with me and I'll show you the very straightforward, quick method of planting carrots in a container that you can do anywhere, regardless of where you live. So I have opened up my planting bag. As you can see, the wind is blowing it away, and I'll just walk towards where I have some soil which I used for potatoes that didn't stand the winter and the cold period. So I'll be using that soil just to make sure I'm not having to buy new compost and new soil. So this is the planting bag that I opened earlier. If you notice, I hope this video sound is better. I finally installed my mic, so I'm talking through the mic. Like I said in my earlier videos, the quality of the videos on this channel are going to get better and better. I just thought to get this video out of the way. So back to topic. I will just set this to one side and pour some soil that are on this in these pots. I'll just reuse some of them into this planting bag. So what I'm doing now is I'm just mixing up the soil, and I'll just take some other soil from the floor. These planting containers where, look at that's a worm. These planting containers are bottomless, so it didn't quite work as I planned because of how bad the winter was this year. So I'm just going to reuse this one as well. Make sure that there is nothing that has grown. If you notice, the potato, it has started, but I don't think I have the patience for it. So I'll just transfer this potato into a different location of the garden, just in case it works. But I'm just going to reuse the planter, or use the soil. That's literally what I'm doing here now. So I'm just transferring the soil into the bag, and this is enough soil now to use for my carrots. They are very, very rich soil. Nothing has gone wrong with the soil. It's literally compost. I'm just going to transfer some so I don't waste it into here. So now I've got enough in form of like that of soil, and the soil is still quite wet, as you can see. So just showing you the level to which I'm raising the soil. This is very carryable, so in case the weather messes up or the weather gets worse, I can always relocate this from to anywhere I prefer, which is what makes this particular growing bag handy and perfect for this unpredictable British weather. So I've selected a suitable location for the carrots in my garden. It's going to be on its own, and I'm going to be using this Jameson Brothers seed. I got it from, I think, a local store. I'm not sure which one now, but this is the one I'm going to be using for this carrots today. So this is what the carrot seed looks like. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to line it up loosely at the top of the soil. So I'm just going to put them loosely at the top of the soil. I'll show you once I'm done, because I'm just using one hand to record. So I've scattered the carrot seeds at the top. We're not supposed to plant it too deep. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to put a layer of soil at the top and water it. So I'm just spreading the layer of the soil at the top of it just to cover it completely. So this is my watering can, which is my indoor watering can I use for my plants, my indoor plant. Because this is just a small batch and it's a very quick video, I'll just show you what I'm doing now. So I'm going to be watering the carrots in. Just to ensure that it holds. Watering it in. And then I'll just set this here and cover it with I'll cover it with a sheet of plant cover just to protect it from birds or any animals, which I doubt any will come here because I don't live in a place that has a lot of animals. But yes, I'll just cover it down and protect it from the elements a little bit. And then as time goes on, if I need to bring it into the house or take it into the shed, I'll do that. So it is fully covered now with a fleece cover, and we'll just see how it goes. So this is just a quick and dirty way and easy way of growing carrots. I've not cut the fleece because I use the same fleece cover for other things and I don't want to cut it down just for these carrots. But I'll keep you posted on the progress of the carrots. Thank you for sticking with me. I hope you've enjoyed these videos. This video, if you have any tips or anything I could have done better in this video, please let me know. Like I keep asking, like and subscribe because it helps this channel. You can place your comments as well, and I'll speak to you when I speak to you. Have a good day. Bye.